foot video. Today we have the second half of the Saya Collective birthday pack, and this is the birthday vote. As you can see, this is a beautiful shoe on foot. Like I said in my birthday orange video, I'm gonna go ahead and link that somewhere up here if you haven't checked that out already. I'm a fan of multicolored Flyknit. Give me a solid color shoe, throw that multicolored Flyknit on it, and 10 times out of 10 I'm gonna cop it. Or at least attempt to, because sometimes it doesn't always work out in my favor. But you win some and you lose some. Can't complain, I have a good amount of shoes anyway, so if I miss a pair here and there, it's not a big deal. But yeah, we got the Vote colorway of the birthday pack. The first time I was able to get a pack or complete the pack on the same day. Usually I would have to, do a pre-order on one pair or hope for a restock or something. But this time I was able to cop both on the first come, first served release. So I was able to do a 2-in-1 review for the first time on my channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. And if you haven't watched it already, I will go ahead and link it right now. So check it out. And everybody that is new here, and you came because you wanted to see the size, definitely subscribe, because I have a lot more on the way. As I said in my review, the Tiffany's should be here any day now. And I know the Fuck Racism pair is supposed to be coming soon as well. And then I have the Cupid Hearts and the White Beagles, on top of anything else that happens to release on Saturday. So I'm definitely going to keep bringing you guys the Saya videos, and I'm excited for the Saya skates. There's on one particular colorway that I want, so hopefully I'll be able to get those with no problems, so I can bring you guys something different. And then also like the Saya highs, the Vulture highs are coming, and then a few more colorways of the Vulture. So just stay tuned. Like I said, hit that notification bell so you won't miss any video that I drop. Now the sun's coming out, so I'm not sure how it looks on the camera, but in person it looks more vibrant now that the sun's shining. And I wish this pair glowed. Maybe because it's getting the sun charge right now, so it'd probably be a good chance for me to show you the glow, but it doesn't. It is 3M reflective though, so before I finish it out, I will definitely give you a look. And as far as the laces, I did the hugs and kisses. I'm not sure if you can see it in the camera, but you have your XOX, XOX. And then I just embroidered around the back of the shoe and tied it in a knot so it doesn't touch the ground. But there's so many different lace holes and combinations that you can do whatever with this shoe. However you want to customize the look, you can. Depending on how much space I have on either side of my screen, I'll probably link that his lacing tutorial from IG. I like to do like a screen record and pop that in here somewhere. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. Thumbs up or thumbs down. Simple, just throw the emoji in there. On fire emoji, trash emoji, yeah. I'm a big fan of the pack. I like the orange pair more, that's why I went for that one first. And then I saw that the Vote pair was still available, so of course I had to add that to the collection as well. So that's going to be it for this portion of the video. I'm going to go ahead and switch to the bird's eye view and throw that flash on, and we're going to end it. Alright, here we go with the bird's eye view. So I get a little close up here, it's kind of dark. big. You can see the hugs and kisses lace system a little better there. See the X, the O, and the X. The multicolored fly knit. Alright, I'm going to throw this flash on. Here we go. You got the reflective fly knit on the upper. So yeah, it's another on-foot look at the Saya Collective Culture Vultures. So you can see, man, the shoe is crazy. Great design. Comfort level is A1. So boom, road to 300. I cannot stress that enough. You don't want to miss the giveaway. Like I said, I mean, it's free to subscribe, free to like. It's free to click on that notification bell so you won't miss anything. And it'll definitely be free to enter the giveaway. So tell all your friends, family, significant others, anybody that's interested in sneakers, streetwear, or the Saya Collective brand as a whole, so they can join the family. And we can get this giveaway up and running sooner rather than later. But once again, it's been your boy E.Reap with another Saya Collective Culture Vulture. Catch y'all on the next one.
When I walk in the club, got money in pockets. I see you with your girls and now you're excited.